Okay, so this morning we have a foundation company out here checking our foundation and doing an estimate for us. It's gonna be our first really big project that we have to get done in order to stabilize the property. So stay tuned. Okay guys, the algae fix is actually working a little bit. We can see some of the koi's right from the top, which we've never been able to see before. I'm gonna keep working on it and add some more algae fix. It's a beautiful day out today. Might mow the lawn. I'm gonna see if I can figure this thing out and maybe attach it to the pond here. But yeah, I think it's starting to work. All right, so today one of the projects is taking out the fire ants. Let's get to it. A little bit. All right, I think that's all the ant piles. I forgot to hit record on most of them. Oh well. Oh, there's one. Look at this little mound. These deer, they are loud when they huff at you. Hiding off in there. We're gonna go clean up around this shipping container for now. Give us something to do while we're waiting on the foundation expert to be finished. I went around already and doused the ant piles with ant killer. So we'll see how that works. I just keep mowing them down. They just keep rebuilding. Pesky little bugs. Smells funky. It is humid as hell out. A lot of grime in here over a couple years of using and abusing, I guess. Well, it's better late than never to clean it. Sometimes you gotta improvise and just make some tool out of nothing. Okay, about as good as it's gonna get today. Whew, sweating. I ran out of gas, guys. I need to cut this vine at the base. It's just taken over this old pine. And I need to kill it now. I'm gonna be clearing out a little bit of this underbrush, such as these little, I don't even know what they are, but they're just little plants that can go. I got this giant vine on this tree right here. The base is up here at the bottom. I want to leave a thick layer at the front, but some of this has just got to go. And then, yeah, so let's get to work. I'm gonna take a before and after picture, so here comes an edit for you. So this is going to be typical of what you find in the backwoods of a property. Just old garbage, buckets and cans, some propane tanks and a tire. We got some growing elephant ears. I'm not going to rip these up. I kind of like them. Add a little greenery, but man, oh man, there's some work to be done here. We're gonna cut that vine right there, give this oak tree a chance.